Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys something I've recently incorporated into my skincare routine that has been working wonders on my skin this summer. And this is it. It is the Decorte Herbal Vitalizing Lotion. So this video is sponsored by skinstore.com. That is where I got this amazing product. I've been using this for 2 weeks now and it's only gone down that much, which is absolutely crazy. So this is gonna go a super long way. But I thought I'd make this video about this product to show you how I use it and then tell you what differences I've seen in my skin since using it. So I am first going to wash my face. I just got done working out and I was sweating, so I'm going to wash my face and then I'll show you how I use that. Okay, I just wet my face and then I'm putting my cleanser on. This is actually a new facial cleansing brush that I got probably a couple weeks ago now, but I've been using it like every day. And I'm really liking it. It's from Duval, the company Duval. I'll put a link down below for you guys, but it is super easy to use. They sent me this and I was like, sure, yeah, I'll try it, because the facial cleansing brush that I've been using for years, they don't sell anymore. So I've been super bummed about it, and quite honestly, I haven't looked into getting anything to replace it. So this company reached out, they sent it to me, and I've actually like really been enjoying it. So I'm using this to cleanse my face. It came with 4 different attachments. So this is the cleansing attachment. It has an exfoliating attachment for the face. It has a body attachment that I like too. And then I haven't used this yet, but this is a pumice attachment. So you can use it on your feet in the shower, which is pretty cool. So let me just go ahead and rinse my face off, and then I'll show you guys how I've been using this herbal toner. Okay, so my face is washed. I just pat it dry, and then this is the star of the show. So this is pretty much, I got it from skinstore.com, by the way. If you use code Lauren20, it'll get you 20% off any of the Decorté products. Hopefully I'm saying that right, but I got this because it's one of their best-selling toners, actually. I think it won like their best toner and essences category of like their awards that they were giving away. And I wanted to try it because it's summertime right now and I've been in the sun a lot, as you can probably tell, and my face was just feeling like dry and dull, and it had a little bit more of like I was just feeling like it wasn't as soft and smooth as it normally is. 1, probably being like the sun, 2 being the elements, right? Like I've been outside a ton more. So I thought I'd give this a try. So it's a purifying herbal toner. So it's gonna help with like dullness, irritation, anything like that. So I take a cotton round and I just drop some of the product on there. I just cleansed my face and then I dried it. I didn't put anything else on it. And then I have just been using this as my toner for the past couple weeks. And I use this day and night. So morning and night with my skincare. And this is just, again, just the second step of my skincare routine. I bring it down my neck and then into my décolleté too, like on this chest area, depending on what shirt I'm wearing. But quite honestly, it's super easy to use, just like any other toner. But I feel like this is very soothing. So I've used a lot of toners in the past that you can definitely tell are doing what they're supposed to be doing, but can be very drying, can make your skin feel really tight. But this one leaves my skin, and that's why I think I love it so much in this season, in summer. It leaves my skin so like soft and moisturized and just like smooth feeling. right after using, and then again, like in 2 weeks, I have noticed a huge difference in like just how you can, I mean, you can't see many of them now because they've gotten a lot better, but like my pore appearance, I've noticed a huge difference in like this area was really dry, just I think because it gets so much sun, and just have noticed a tremendous difference in the texture of my skin. So for the summertime, I feel like this product has honestly been perfect. It's a little pricey, but if you use that discount code, you'll get that discount through September of 2021. And this product, honestly, like I showed in the beginning of the video, like will probably last me at least months, like at least 6 months, I imagine, because there's so much of it. But if you want to check it out, I'll put the link below. If you are looking for a new toner, or if you're just looking for something to kind of revitalize and replenish and help soothe your skin, if you have troubled skin, if you have dry skin, if you have textured skin, you're trying to kind of diminish that, I would definitely recommend this. It was a new product to me, but I'm going to be repurchasing when this is done because I do like it more than the toner I was using before. So check it out. I'll put everything below. I'll also link for the brush if you want to check that out too. I have a discount code for that as well that I'll put down there. But hopefully this is helpful if you're in the market for a new toner, and I will see you guys in the next video.